I actually don't know that strong visuals are always a problem nowadays. You know, you look at games like SNKRX or Snake RX, however you say that. I mean that game is like a Snake auto battler roguelite, and that game has they're stylish graphics, but it's not like they're amazing pixel art or anything. So, for me, the concept is way more important nowadays than the visuals. So I think if you have a really strong concept, like that game, Luck Be a Landlord or something. It's a slot machine roguelike.
I haven't heard of that one.
Yeah, there's all kinds of games out there that are interesting, but don't necessarily have the best art. So I think the key is like, what is your conceptual differentiator if you don't have the best art? And I think if you have something that is strong and maybe replayable or maybe has a really interesting idea in it, then you needn't worry so much about that. I do think, though, to our point earlier about visual media, quite a lot of the places we're suggesting that you advertise or put up GIFs or what have you are visual mediums, so that it does make it a little bit rougher, but I don't think it stops like streamers picking you up if the game is hella fun to play. So I think that's really the card you have to play.
Yeah, that makes sense. That's something I tell the GDU students is like the killer combo you can get with an indie game idea and you're trying to market it is striking visuals and a killer hook, like you were saying. But it sounds like what you're also saying is if you can get the hook to compensate for like those lesser striking visuals, then you could make it. It's just the hook has to be really good. It has to be killer. And I agree with that too.